I just made a little kid cry at Crumble Cookie because I was waiting in line, but right when it was my turn to order, one of the workers says, "Attention everybody, we only have 2 of the pumpkin roll cookies left." And after he said that, a little kid behind me who would have been next up to order goes, "Mom, there's 2 pumpkin cookies left. We made it just in time to get one." But little did this kid know, I wasn't just getting cookies for me, I was getting it for my roommates too. And they all wanted the pumpkin one. So the employee asks what I want, and I say, "I'll take 2 of your pumpkin roll cookies, please." But right when I say this, the kid starts screaming. No words, just screaming. So the mom picks him up and walks outside the door as fast as possible. So he didn't even get any cookies. But the most sad part was, I heard how excited the kid was for the pumpkin roll cookie. So after I ordered, I was gonna tell him he could have mine, thinking that would make his day. But I didn't even get a chance to because his mom took him out of the store before I could do it. And I totally understand why he crashed out like that over a cookie because these are really good.